Hi everyone, this video I just want to show you. Actually it happens accidentally and I don't know actually what it can be happen, but it happens and I think it's very useful video. This is a broadband modem, so I want to show you how you can turn on broadband modem without AC power, because of power breakdown or any kind of problem happens in your house and you don't have power, AC power. And this is a power adapter, and as you see this kind of broadband modem, I just hide the name. If you have VERIZON, AT&T or any network in US or Canada or Australia, that broadband modem mostly they take 5 to 12 volt. So if your modem is 5 volt is also can work, and if 12 volt still can work. You can see here is a 12 volt DC, and this adapter is also, if you see here, is a 12 volt, right, 1 amp. So this adapter comes with this, so it's work perfectly. But in case you don't have power, or you are somewhere like maybe there's no option for power, so you can still turn on your broadband adapter and you can use internet if there's a possibility. So what is the second way? For example, there's no AC, now you have only modem and you want to turn on. There's a one way. You have to need one power bank. The power bank the question is, here is 12 volt, right, and the power bank is give mostly 5 volt only, right? This is the power bank with 5 volt. If you see here is 5 volt, 2 amp maximum, right? So you can choose any power bank, USB power bank, and then you just get the cable, the same cable. Even the surprising and amazing thing in this, turn it on, we get 100% here, for example. Okay, here, so 5 volt, and here you can see the wire is the same wire coming. I'm going to plug it here, and switch is off. I'm going to turn on, switch is on. Here you can see it's turned on already. Yeah, okay, now it's off, and I will click here, on, off, on. So all cable is connected only here. So even this is 5 volt, but it can turn on for emergency cases your broadband. You can see here. So I think this is very useful for people. So sometime if they don't have AC power and 12 volt, because mostly all broadband they are only 5 volt or 12 volt. There's no other voltage. So in case you have 5 volt adapter or 12 volt, so you can use any power bank with 2 amp, and you can just give supply to your, again I will on here, and here I will put the cable right here. Turn on here. Okay, this work perfectly. Hope you like the video. This is nothing special, but it can be very useful in some cases, electricity breakdown or any problem. At least you have one option. The power bank mostly we use for only mobile charging, right? But there's a lot of different way to use power bank. I will make another videos also, but this is just video I make the people they have broadband, and if the broadband didn't work on AC power, or sometime even maybe your power adapter is a 12 volt, it can expire, or it cannot be used anymore. So in emergency you need to have internet. You can use your power bank. And hope you like the video. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.